Hey friends, welcome you all to Unstoppable Digital Traveling Oxygen for Life. In today's episode, you will get to visit Mysore Zoo friends digitally. Stay back till the end to see the excitements that we had, especially the small babies had a baby's day out friends on that day. In parallel, we will also show you Bangalore Zoo friends, which is based in the end of the Bannerghatta road and is also known as Bannerghatta National Park. Here you can avail also the safari, which is not there in the Mysore Zoo. Bangalore or Mysore, wherever it is, Jewel visited both this zoo with his cousin Rick and enjoyed it equally, friends. We are near the tiger's cage, friends. We have started our journey with tiger first. And I can tell you, friends, not only kids, even the adults won't be so courageous in front of tiger's cage, friends. Isn't it? As a traveler, we have visited several zoological gardens in the country, friends, and I can tell you that Mysore Zoo is one of the best zoo in our country. It has created natural habitats for the animals living here. We are in front of Asiatic black bear, friends. The zoo is having 157-acre area and it is also one of the oldest zoo in our country, friends. It is located in the main city, very close to Mysore Palace. Whereas the zoo in the Bangalore city is located in the outskirts of the main city. The zoo hosts 8 different species of crocodiles here, friends. It is heard that from nearby Karanji Lake sometimes crocodiles enters to this zoo also, friends. skin, and the female usually will be brown in color, friends. एक मोटा हाथी झूम के चले, लकड़ी के जाल में जाके वो फंसे। जाल को देखा, देख के डरे, दूसरे हाथी को इशारे से बुलाया, इधर आ, इधर आ, इधर आ। Used to be one of Jewel's favorite food time song, friends. And yes, they do stay together in a group always. You know one of the interesting stuff associated with these elephants in Mysore Zoo? World's first cesarean section was performed on an elephant in Mysore Zoo, friends, which gave the zoo its global recognition. Interesting, huh? You can see two hippopotamuses are enjoying their bath here, friends. They like to stay in the water most of the times and are quite lazy, friends. And now it is the time to watch for deer, friends. Mysore Zoo is visited by lakhs of tourists throughout the year, friends, and it is undoubtedly one of the best tourist destinations in Karnataka. I personally liked Mysore Zoo more than Bangalore Zoo, friends. And if you think from safari point of view, then of course Bangalore Zoo is the option for you. It takes good 2 to 3 hours of your time, friends, to see the zoo completely, and for these babies it has been quite a tiresome journey, but look at their face. They want to explore more, look at more and enjoying their excursions. And then finally we have reached to birds cage, friend, where various species of colorful, rare species of birds are visible here in the zoo, friends. A real treat to our eyes, I must say. So if you have not visited it, you can make your plan to visit when the place is safe enough to visit. And do let me know, how did you like this video? Please do like, post your comments and subscribe to the channel.